Hello students, in this session you are going to learn chapter 6 control structures. In this video you are going to learn while loop and looping or iteration topic. First of all, what is iteration? Iteration or loop are used in situation when the user need to execute a block of code several of times or till the condition is satisfied. Simply, a loop statement allows to execute a statement or group of statements multiple times. So, if there is a need to execute multiple lines multiple times, then we have to use looping. So simply, looping is execution of statements multiple times. In PHP, while loop and for loop, two structures are allowed. So what is while loop? While followed by a condition, colon, below that statements, else statements, block 2. We'll see what is the meaning for this syntax. In the while loop, the condition is any valid Boolean expression returning true or false. That means while is followed by a condition, this condition will give the result as true or false. If the condition is true, the statement block 1 is executed. Until the condition becomes false, the statement block 1 is repeatedly executed. When the condition fails, statement in the else block 2 is executed. But the else part of while loop is optional. That means we can give or we may not give this statement. The statement's block 1 is kept executed till the condition is true. As we know, looping means multiple execution of lines. That means a set of lines is going to be executed repeatedly based on a condition. That condition is given along with the while. Recall while loop belongs to entry check loop type. This is given as a statement as you will remember while loop when you learned in C++. Yes, why it is entry check loop? Because the condition is on the top. It will enter into the execution only when the condition is true. If the condition is false, this statement block 1 will not be executed. So what is the flow chart for this while loop? While followed by the condition. If the condition is true, the statement below that is executed. Can you see this line is again going to the condition? Yes, it will keep on executing the statements until this given condition gets false. Once the condition is false, the loop will exit and it will come to the next part. Here is an example. As it is a looping statement, we must know three things. One is initialization. As there is a repetition for multiple times, there must be a starting point and an ending point. The starting point is the initialization. The variable is initialized. Then it will keep on moving based on a condition that is given along with the while. While followed by I less than or equal to 15. This is the condition. If the condition is true, it will enter into the while block and execute the statements given below. After that or end of the while, there must be a updation or else it may be a increment statement. After the increment, again it will go to the condition checking. So how will it execute? First initialization, then comes for the condition checking. So I is 10. The condition is 10 less than or equal to 15. As the condition is true, am I right? It will enter into the while loop. So print I. So the output is I. I means 10. 10 is printed. And /t means it has to give a space for a tab. That means 8 character space is given. Then I plus plus. Now I is going to be incremented 1. That means 10 will move to 11. Again, it has to go for the condition checking. That means 11 less than or equal to 15. So the condition is true. Print I, that means 11. So 11 will come here because there is /t. /t means it will give space horizontally. So 11 will be here. Then there is a horizontal space. Again there is the increment. So I will become as 12. Again it go for the checking. Then 12 less than or equal to 15. So it will print up to 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Will it print 15? Yes, it will print because less than or equal. So we will get the output as 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. When I become 16, the condition checking will be 16 less than or equal to 15. So when the question rises like this, the condition is false. So it will not enter into the while loop. So output is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Do you understand the working principle? See the example with else part. Else part is, it should be below the updation or below the last line of the while. Can you see here the 2 lines are indented? That means the 2 lines are under while loop. Below that there is a else followed by another line. We'll see with the example in Python editor. So we see this in Python editor. So here is the program. I equal to 10 while I less than or equal to 15. Print I end equal to /t. I equal to I plus 1. Else print /n value of I when the loop exists. Up to this it is a while loop. Else part is optional. So we'll see the output. Can you see the output here? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So if you take this line, it will not say any error because it is optional part. Depends upon the need, we can use this. I hope you understood while loop. Thank you. Have a good day.